SBA Publications.
Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home, and I hope you all are doing very well in your home. This is your mentor Sunisati, and I am also good at my place. So student, today in this class we are going to start our chapter number 8, and the name of our chapter is Wild Animals in the Forest. जंगली जानवर जो कि हमें जंगल में पाए जाते हैं। तो चलिए उनके बारे में पढ़ते हैं। Here, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to know what are different kinds of wild animals and discuss the homes and food habits of wild animals. Here we have an activity, get active, visit a zoo and write the names of 3 wild animals. So, here we can write the 3 wild animals. Now we have the first topic of this chapter, wild animals. Many animals live in dense forest, मतलब कि घने जंगल में. They look after themselves. They are called wild animals. और उन्हें हम कहते हैं wild animals. Kinds of wild animals. कितने kind of wild animals होते हैं? There are many kinds of wild animals. Some animals are very big. Okay. For example, hippopotamus, giraffe and elephant. These are the wild animals which are so big in size. Now some are medium in size. So some are medium in size like lion and bear and tiger and jackal, deer. Then some animals are small and some are very small. So small animals are like dog, like rabbit, and some are so small, that is like rat, ant. Now homes of wild animals. Wild animals अब रहते कहाँ पे हैं? So bears and lions live in caves and dens. That means गुफाएं. Okay, so lion and bears का घर कहाँ होता है? Caves and dens में. Here we have a normal. So every tiger in the world is unique. No 2 tigers have the same pattern of stripes. Here we have the very big fact, that is जो टाइगर होते हैं उनके पास जो स्ट्रैप होते हैं, स्ट्राइप स्ट्रक्चर होता है उनकी बॉडी में, वो हर टाइगर का यूनिक होता है. ओके, नो 2 tigers have the same structure. Now some animals like elephant and deer live under the shade of a tree. Usually they live in groups. So काफ़ी सारे ऐसे एनिमल्स होते हैं जो ग्रुप्स में ही पाए जाते हैं, ग्रुप्स में ही रहते हैं. And elephants and deer are the ones of them, and they live under the shade of tree. So वो जंगल में ट्री के शेड में ही रहते हैं. Deer, then elephants. Now animals like monkeys, apes, lizard and squirrel live on trees. So कुछ ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं जो ट्रीज के ऊपर रहते हैं, like monkeys, lizard and squirrel. A few animals such as toads, frogs, tortoises, crocodiles can live comfortably both on land and as well as the water. These animals are called amphibians. So in animals को हम amphibians कहते हैं, जो कि land and in the water. They can survive in both. Here we have the picture of frog, tortoise and the crocodile. Now aquatic animal. These are the animals which live in the water. Okay, they live only in the water. So aquatic animals can live only in the water, like fish, whales and sharks live in the river or sea. So we can see here that whale, shark and fish are the pictures here. Now a spider spins a web for itself, whereas an ant lives in ant hills. So एक जो spider है वो spin, that means make करता है, बनाता है अपने लिए अपने आप जाल. Okay, जाला. So we can see here this is a spider web, and ant live in ant hills. और ant कहाँ रहती है? Ant hills में. So these are the small very small मिट्टी के पहाड़. Okay, where ant lives. Here we have nest. So birds do live in nest. Now let's do it activity. With the help of the thread, make a web on the thermocol sheet. एक थ्रेड की हेल्प से थर्मोकोल शीट पे ट्राई कीजिए एक वेब बनाने की. ओके, नाउ वी हैव अ रैबिट लिव्स इन अ बुरो. सो जो रैबिट है वो ग्राउंड में एक बुरो, एक गुफा, एक छोटी सी होल बनाकर रहता है. स्नेक्स लिव इन द होल डग बाय अदर एनिमल. और स्नेक ऐसे होल्स में रहता है जो कि कोई और डग करते हैं, कोई और बनाते हैं. फूड हैबिट्स ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. अब वाइल्ड एनिमल्स खाते क्या हैं? हर्बीवोर, कार्निवोर. There are two kinds of food habits. So herbivores are those animals which eat herbs. Okay, some animals eat only plants. Rabbit, horse, cow, elephant, deer, giraffe, zebra, etc. are such animals. So there are examples. Lots of animals are kind of animal which only survive with the plants. Now these animals are called herbivore because they are eating plants. That means they are eating herbs. That's why they are known as herbivore. Now we have some pictures as well. So this is a cow, elephant, a donkey and a camel. Now the second kind of food habit is carnivores. So carnivores are those kind of animals which eat only flesh or meat. So some animals like lion, wolf, snakes, crocodile etc. kill other animals. सबसे पहले वो दूसरे एनिमल्स को किल करते हैं, मारते हैं and then eat their flesh. और उसके बाद उनका मांस खाते हैं. Animals that eat only flesh are called carnivores. और ऐसे एनिमल्स जो सिर्फ फ्लैश ही खाते हैं, जो सिर्फ दूसरे एनिमल्स को मार के ही खाते हैं, उन्हें हम कार्निवोर कहते हैं. ओके, एज वी कैन सी हियर, लायन इज killing the deer and then eating him. Similarly, here we have crocodile and the snake. Okay, now wild animals like vulture, jackal, fox etc. eat the remains of dead animals. So carnivores वो होते हैं जो खुद kill करते हैं and then खाते हैं. बट कुछ ऐसे भी एनिमल्स होते हैं लाइक वल्चर, जैकल एंड फॉक्स, ये पहले किसी और एनिमल पे हमला होने देते हैं. ओके, हमला होने देते हैं एंड देन जो बचा हुआ होता है सेकेंड टाइम आकर खाते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लॉयन ने डियर को मारा, सो दे विल कम एंड दे विल ईट डियर ऑल्सो. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव वल्चर, फॉक्स, ओके, जैकल. नाउ ओमनिवोरस. Omnivores are the mixture of both, like some wild animals, example bear, crow, rat, etc. eat both, that are plants and flesh. Like वो पौधे भी खाते हैं और मांस भी खाते हैं. So they are known as omnivorous. They are called omnivores. Here we can see like crow, like bear and the rat as well. Now quick check. Work in pairs. Choose a wild animal, make a home for that animal using clay, sticks and so on. Then we have keywords. So, wild animals. Wild animals means animals that live in forest. And aquatic animals. Aquatic animals means related to water. Those who survive in water only. Now, we have to sum up. Wild animals live in dense forest. There are many kinds of wild animals. Amphibians live both on land and in water. Some animals eat plant, some eat flesh and some eat both. So, कुछ ऐसे animals होते हैं जो कि plants भी, flesh भी और दोनों भी खाते हैं. We know what they are called as. They are called as herbivores which eat plants, carnivores which eat flesh and the omnivores which eat both. Okay, so now we have completed the chapter. Now you people will do the exercise part of this chapter with the help of the explanation and the concept we just discussed above. So I hope each and every concept of this chapter is totally clear to you. If you found any query in any concept, any topic, please go once again to this video so that your concepts are totally clear. Now I will meet you in the next video with another concept, another chapter. Meanwhile, keep on learning. Take care, stay healthy. Bye bye.